Piper with the weekend video, and it's Saturday the 27th of June. So let's start with world markets today. I put some money in here, I think just at the beginning of May, 8,000, so I'm currently up almost $3,000. That's gross, they do make a charge, so my actual account reflects $8,000 plus a little bit less, but I'm still up about 40% or so, a bit less, but that sort of thing in 2 months, so that's good going. Highly speculative. I'm not recommending this as such. I like to have a range of speculative items in my portfolio. I guess Bitcoin was one of those, and there are others. Some work, some don't work, which is a point that Graham of Cashmaster reinforced the other day to me. I can't recommend this because it just seems to be too good to be true, but my plan is to start taking cash out quite soon. I've spoken to people who have taken cash out, so cash can be drawn out. Of course, when I come to take cash out, that may have changed. My plan is to go to $15,000, which I guess should take another 3 or 4 months at this rate, and then draw out 10% per month. So within a year, I'll be in the clear, and just depends how it goes. If you're interested, get in touch. I haven't put the link in the. Well, I'm not planning to put the link in the email. That may be there, I suppose. I can't remember whether I left it there or not. But it's something that I'm involved with. I quite like it. I think it might well work out. I mean, there's so many sort of red flags here that it's almost sort of there's too many to make it. I mean, a contrarian view, I think, maybe to take the opposite view. We'll see how it goes. But the key thing is, don't risk more than you can afford to lose, and always spread that kind of money against a range of things, so they just need one to work out, so that everything's fine. Bitcoin's still very messy. Discussed this a few times. A possible sideways, very messy sideways up to there. We now got a B, and I think a C coming in down to about 8.3, around 9,150 at the moment. But I mean, it could go lower than that. It is pretty unclear, really. If you look at the 10,000 level, which is around here, we've poked our head above it a few times, twice I think so far. It's fallen back, but it is a correction. I mean, we've got no sign of an impulsive decline at this point, so it's just trying to shake out the longs to build some momentum, to build some power, really, to go higher. A equals C around 8,300. That's my current target for this move. Looking at Ethereum, it's looking a lot more positive. We've got the 5 O's up, ABC2. It looks like a 1, 2, 3. This could be a 4, in fact. I mean, it's really not doing. Ethereum is holding its ground, really, far better than Bitcoin, really. So same kind of pattern, really. We're looking for more upside, but not the ideal chart pattern. There's a bit of a spike there. All right, gold. I'll still count this as a daily chart. That's a 1, I think, of 3, 2 of 3. This is 1 of 3 of 3, 2 of 3 of 3. So we're still looking at a very strong thrust to come here, take us above 2,000 probably. No sign of this move that Evel Knievel's talking about, above 2,000 on the expiry. But I think it will be there fairly soon, probably. So holding long my various gold stocks, ETFs. Spread bets, etc., which I've been recommending for a while now, so you should be doing quite well if you've been following that. Alright, on to the DAX. Obviously, we saw this huge fall on the outbreak of the pandemic back in March. We've since built an ABC, well, ran it very solidly in an ABC formation. There seems to be little reason why the market should be so high. The only thing that seems relevant to me is the fact that the governments are printing money even faster than before, which is bound to cause a devaluation in the value of the currencies. So it seems to me the reason is that they're, as I said before, they were looking at mini euros, a few years ago, mini dollars and mini pounds, and that in that sense, yeah, these valuations are fine. So look at the actual pattern since the peak here. Having said that, we have got these 5 ways down since that peak, followed by an ABC. So I think we have got this we have got another leg down to come. It could be what an ABC do and then a fall, but I think we're going to see another leg down. But it may well come nowhere near challenging the lows we saw before. If the government's going to step in and just sell bonds, put them onto the stock market, or whatever they're doing, you can only fight that kind of firepower. Ditto with the Dow. So from the peak here, we had this clear 5 waves down, followed by a rally. This is rather formless, but we're going to be heading downwards, but quite what it is, I'm not quite sure. A break below there could see an acceleration. Same thing, really. Another leg down, I think, is quite possible. But I think buyers will be materialised from somewhere to support the markets. And just over FTSE, we've got 5 waves down again. Maybe an A, B, C. A 5 here, I think. 3, 4, 5. ABC bounce. So again, a case for a sell-off. But it seems likely that it'll be supported at some point, and that the realities of the world will be brushed under the carpet, as it were, and everything will look fairly glossy from the figures. But I think they'll be far from that, and it is a very strange world we live in, I guess, at the moment. So today, if that is useful, back to the report on Tuesday for subscribers. Have a great day, thanks for listening, and bye for now.